These are my seats. I just got these upholstered by Sport Aircraft Seats. I got to tell you, these seats are amazing. Sport Aircraft Seats does an amazing job on these. I had seen others out there. I even considered going to local airplane interior shop or even having an auto shop do them. And I never could find a place that would do the style of seat that I like. I want minimalist, I want thin, I want light, but I don't want to sacrifice too much comfort. And Sport Aircraft Seats fits the bill. They're lightweight. I think I ended up shedding a few pounds per seat with theirs. You get rid of the steel springs. They have a webbing, like a Seconite webbing in the back, and they have some other kind of material that sits here underneath the seat. And it's awesome. I absolutely love these seats. They're a little expensive. I think I paid about $1,600 for the both of them, but the quality of the workmanship is amazing, and the comfort is exactly what I was looking for. They also have this cool little optional bag that they make. Sport Aircraft Seats. It clips onto these little tabs here on both seats. Have them. I haven't got one for here yet. And this is just great. I can throw my wallet in here. It's got a little zipper. I could carry whatever I want in here. I could throw my sunglasses in here. I think I paid $50 for this, and it's real leather. Love it. Just little things like that make Sport Aircraft Seats really cool. The back of the seats has a pouch with an elastic band, so I can, put my fuel stick, sump, maps. I always carry with me my PLB. I keep it in the pocket here for most of the time. If I'm going to be going off to some gnarly terrain off airport, kind of out in the middle of nowhere, I will always put this on my person. I have a little high-vis yellow vest that I wear. I put that in that vest. I also have a knife. I have all just like super basic survival things that if I had to egress out of the airplane after some bad event, I've got it on me and I don't have to worry about trying to find it. The plane may be sitting upside down leaking fuel. Who knows what? I could be hurt. So I always carry that on my person when I'm flying over, out in the sticks. Here in town, I don't really mess with doing that.